Hi, puti. Hi!
That I will obey
That I will make.
by all. Again, handing now the torch is Raymond O. Piroso from Kaputian District, which will now be passed to Mark Paul Cruzoa of Samal District. Handing it over to Austin Kim Nalaza of Babac District. And finally, to Joshua Villanueva of Pimiosa of Nieves, Villarica National High School. Ladies and gentlemen,
patuloy kaming ginagabayan at pinapalakas ang loob upang maabot ang aming pangarap.
ay ba, tanga ba?
Hello, what's up mga kadoms? So, welcome back ulit sa ating vlog. So, for today's video is pauwi na tayo ng bahay. Galing nga pala tayo ng school dahil nag-parade kami. House limpik namin kanina. So, ayun. So, that's my update vlog for today's video.